Alright, so welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, talaga hindi siya tumitingin. Focus ako. Ayan, ang aking caddy dito sa Villamor, si Ate Lynn. Okay, so first time namin maglalaro together. So this is a sponsored tournament by Three Strokes. Again, thank you very much Three Strokes for making this video happen. So the format for this tournament, it's Monte Masters ang tournament. So the format is System 36 here in Villamor. Then we're playing the Silver Tees. So yan. So galingan mo lang magbasa Ate Lynn ha. Mamaya basa ng green. Kahit ano mangyari, magsusubscribe ka ha. Ayan. Okay, so like, comment, and subscribe if you think we can place in this tournament this morning. So yeah. So thank you very much. See you at the fairways and nice shot. Alright, starting the tournament. Hole number 8, par 5. So we're playing the Silver Tees, 524 yards, dog leg right. Playing with fellow Lasalites, mga taga Zubel din yata, NGH. Nice shot.
Nice shot. Galing. Galing ah.
Still left with 250 yards to the flag. Just doing some course management. Hopefully this is a good decision. Hit an 8 iron to be in the fairway.
Nice shot.
Landed a little left of the fairway on the rough. Still left with 120 yards to the flag. Slightly against the wind, Balin? Hindi naman. Ano to? Diretso na? Okay. Hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Nice. Bite. Bite. Oh, nice shot. Ang taas lang.
Okay. Landed a little short. Anong aim mo? Dun sa lagpas sa linyang puti? Labas lang nun? Sulit. Okay, 19 yards right to left. Aiming for outside of that gimme line. Medyo mabagal, ano?
Go, go. Pasok mo para birdie. Sayang.
Okay, I have this spot for par right inside uphill. Uy, hindi bumali. Right inside nga.
Ang taas na.
Sabi ko na yung damo eh. Alright, that was a very terrible bogey. Sayang. Kinain ang damo. Okay. Playing hole number 9. Playing 379 yards. The aim or the play is to aim a little here, a little left, para mag-angle to avoid being stymied dun sa tree sa right. Beauty. Huwag ka lang sasabit. Go. Nagpas. Uy! Kumabit. Napull lang ng konti. Hindi na gano'n.
Nice. Uy. Nice shot. Okay, safe.
Fortunately, landed on the left. Need to take my medicine, punch out. Mga 100 yards. Hopefully I can punch draw. Pero walang gulong to.
Stop na. Okay. Nice.
Had to take my medicine. Left with 38 yards to the flag. So saktong 30 yards. Ano to, Ate Lynn? Left to right? Nice shot! Beauty! Malaki? Maliit lang. Ay, kumahanan!
Nice.
Tama na. Bilis. Naman sa left. Yeah, just aiming left. Bilis. Kung 8 yung tapa ko, -1, -2.
Alin?
Ang bawas sa bilis. Kung 8 yung paces ko, mga 6 lang. Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan?
Ano lang, ganito lang.
Kalahating grip. Okay. Ang hina, Luigi!
Go, go. Ay, sayang naman. Masyado naman mahina.
Parang sobrang hina.
Right inside tayo.
Masyadong nalaylay. Ay, sayang. Can't get the speed of the greens yet. Although second hole pa lang naman. So third hole, I'm currently 2 over. So third hole, hole number 10, it's playing 367 yards. So far, a long par 4. Nice shot. Beauty.
Nice.
Nice one.
Nice shot. Nice. Nice shot.
Wow, nice.
Kaya maganda yan.
Shout out natin si Kuya Ricky. Kuya Ricky, hi ka naman sa vlog.
Lubirit na naman.
Yeah. Shout out to my caddy, si Ate Lynn. Inaate ko siya pero mas bata siya sa akin. Ayan. Hi! Puro kami bogey. Unfortunate break naman. Right in front of the tree. No angle of attack. No way for me to attack the pin. 117 yards to the flag. Dapat sana pitching wedge pero okay lang. Okay. Punching out with the 50-degree wedge.
Kaya mo yan, lusot mo yan. Go. Ay, bumangker.
For my third shot left with 90 yards to the flag, hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Go. Nice. Go, 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 go. Akyat!
To go up and down for bogey, no one to take my video. 19 yards to the flag, left to right. I am in for bogey. Okay. At least all of that for bogey.
Nice shot. Pasok.
Okay, hole number 11. Another bogey. So currently I'm 3 over. It's playing 384 yards.
Nice shot.
Oh, nice one.
Ganda.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Finally, we are in the fairway. Playing 155 yards to the flag. Slightly against the fan. Hopefully an 8 iron is enough.
Nice. Nice shot.
Down! Down!
Nice.
Sobra!
Ay, sobra.
Sobrang tira namin. Dapat pala 9 iron lang. Playing 40 yards to the flag. Tirang 30. Left to right. No?
Go. Go, baby. Nice shot.
Ay, nako. 10 yards. Mabilis. Maliit lang sa kaliwa. Ha? Ano no?
Hindi kasi nung mabilis.
Hindi ka na mabilis. Okay na yan?
Yun ang tama.
Pasok mo. Nice.
Nice.
Par. Par.
Nakuha mo yun?
Yes, sir. Par.
Nakita yung speed sa'yo eh.
Yun nga sabi ko, yun ang tama.
Nakita ko rin yung bali na sa'yo kaya
Galing.
natsambahan. Ay, that was finally a par. Kailangan pa chip in para lang makapar. Okay, hole number 12. Okay, hole number 12. Fun hole. Hole in one sponsor, Wellness Diagnostic Center, Nonos, Katingko, and Malayan. Playing 130 yards. Okay lang.
Nice. Patong. Okay. Nice shot, ah.
Carry din. Okay, patong yan. Middle of the green. Huwag ka lang bumaba. Just in front of the fringe. Ganda, kaliwa lang. Yeah. Okay, this is for birdie. 11 paces, right to left.
Kanan mo! Bumali agad dito banda oh. Par.
Okay, that was a good up and down, good par. So currently still 3 over. Hole number 13, playing 441 yards. I need a decent drive.
Shot. Nice. Go. Sige pa. Gitna lang yan. Okay.
Okay, ang ganda ng tee shot ko pero lang gulong. Okay lang. Left with 220 yards to the flag. Going for it with a hybrid.
Nice. Nice shot. Go. Kick it up. Patog mo. Ay, malakas. Sobra. Sakali. Pero kung maliwa lang. Doon lang sa may taas.
Sa may mount lang bumaba lang doon. Went over. Left with 26 yards to the flag. Left to right. Mabilis to Ate Lilin. Medyo mabilis. Okay. Mga tirang 15 lang. Left to right.
Laki. Ang laki. Nice.
Alam ko nang kakabig, kulang pa yung tinayin ko sa kanan. Alright, so I have this spot for birdie. 5 paces. Slightly uphill. Pero regular lang na right edge. To go 2 over.
Birdie mo, birdie mo. Ah,
Hindi bumali yung edge natin.
Kaya nga.
Left inside pala. Pwede diretso, no?
Oo. Par. Kaya nga. May...
Sayang, hindi ko pa na birdie. Okay, I'm still 3 over. So hole number 14, very long, another long par 4. It's playing 413 yards.
Nice. Nice shot. Okay, save. Ganda.
I am still left with 130 yards to the flag. Dapat yata pitching ah. Dala mo din? Against the wind eh, no?
Bite. Bite mo. Bite. Nice shot.
Okay, landed over again. 16 yards right to left.
Nice shot. Stop.
Okay, I have this spot for par. 4 paces. 1 golf ball left to right. Grabe mga lapat eh.
Pasok. Ang lakas. Bumali agad eh.
Okay, hole number 15. That was a bad double 2 putt. So currently 4 over. So hole 15 is playing 350. Dog leg left. So the play is to aim for those people there, which is around 230 yards to the flag. 230 yards. So I might hit a hybrid.
Nice. Saka rin. Nice shot. Bar! Lang yan sa kaliwa. Hindi safe yun.
Okay, akala ko I had to take a mulligan. Buti lang no need. Pero it's still very far. It's 180 yards to the flag. Front pin. I'm hitting a 7 iron.
Nice. Nice shot. Go. But stop. Sobra.
Okay. Landed a little over ulit. Left of the green. Left to right. 19 yards. Mabilis. 1 grip.
Ano kung kumana niyan?
Sakto sana eh. No? Pinadraw ko kasi talaga eh.
Hina! Ano?
Okay, I have this Parpat 8 pesos. Very bad chip. So firm lang or +1.
Kulang sa ano.
Alright, another bogey. Lakad na ako ate. Another bogey. Hole number 16. 417 yards to the flag. It's against the wind. Dog leg right. So the pin is, the green is here. So hopefully, tingnan natin kung magdodraw na, magpe-fade ulit yung bola. I think this is a fun hole. Mukhang it's either most accurate or longest drive.
Uy! Kick right! Okay.
Left with 165 yards to the flag. Hitting a 9 iron kasi kanina pa sumasobra yung palo ko. Better short than long.
Ay, sumabit. Kick left! Nice. Bunker.
Very bad break. Di ko in-expect na sasabit sa puno. Left with 50 yards to the flag. Right to left ba natin, Lin? Right to left yan.
Wow, akyat! Ah!
Kay bogey. Sabi nyo.
Nice. Bogey.
Sayang. Hole number 17. It's playing 125 yards to the flag. So it's playing 25 with the wind, hitting a 56-degree wedge. Draw din. Ganda. Okay lang yan. Ganda. Eagle, a birdieable. Nice spot, brother. Ay, nice shot, brother.
Nice. Nice shot. Patong mo. Nice. Ay, bumaba. Gumanon.
Okay na? Okay, 26 paces for birdie, left to right. Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa bigay mo, Tilin? Ha? Sa linya lang ng bilog? 26.
Paket yan ah.
Mabagal. Firm na firm.
Go. Go. Baba. Baba. Malakas na masyado. Malakas lang. Okay na.
Bang!
What a par! What a par! It's the lab. Nice spot, nice spot.
Dagdagan mo ng araw.
You guys are amazing.
Oy!
Hindi mo naman. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi nga mabilis.
Nice putt. What a terrible 3-putt. Ay nako. Okay, hole number 18, par 5. 494 yards to the green. Yeah, straight up, straight hole. Pero alam ko may tubig to eh. Before, in the middle, before the green.
Draw!
Ayan, ganda ng draw. Sakto, gitnang gitna. Flirted with the trees. Layo. Nice shot, brother.
Nice shot. Go. Nice yan.
Okay, bahala na. 210 yards, pero it's with the wind. Bahala na. Go for it with the 5 iron.
Go. Kick right. Nice. Kanan. Ay, kaliwa.
Okay, 40 yards to the flag. Ang hihirap. Ano to, left to right?
Go. Nice.
Dami, di ba? Dito, 7 paces paakyat. Left to right. Gano'n kalaki sa left?
Ano, bola mo na sa'yo.
Ay, nasa akin ba? Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa? Ah, okay. Halos isang cup.
Kasi.
Kita ko na yung sa'yo. Na short din. Okay, can't make a putt. Okay, hole number 1, still I am 7 over. From the silver tees, it's 330 yards against the wind. Come on, subukan lang natin, Luigi. Try to focus. And try to break 80. Hindi pa natin na-break 80 ang Villamore. Try to make some birdies.
Alan lang.
Just landed right off the fairway, left with 90 yards to the flag. Ito na naman ako. Sobrang 3 troubles ako, 3 troubled today. So hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Yung patong. Akala ko yung guwan na.
Yung bola. Ibang bola pala. Okay, putting for birdie. I have this putt for birdie. Come on, Luigi. Isa lang. 7 paces. Uphill. Right to left. I'm giving it right edge daw.
Kulang pa sa kulang sa kanan.
Sayang, mali basa namin. Kulang. Okay, so still 7 over. Par 5, hole number 2. Dog leg left. So the play is just to play safe. Yan, you see that red stick. Yan, yung red stick na yan. It's around 170.
Nice shot.
Ilan Lin bago sa susunod na tubig?
May tubig ba after?
Right after sa di ba tubig dito sa harap natin? Another one, mga around 200. Ay, sobra. Okay, so I'm hitting a laying up lang, hopefully in the fairway. Mga palong 190. 200. Pero para sure, I'm just hitting a 6 iron. Para full shot pa rin for my third shot.
Go. Go. Nice.
Lang. Okay. Playing 160 yards to the flag against the fan. Hitting an 8 iron.
Wala hangin. Ay! Right. Nice. Masyadong kaliwa lang.
Okay. Pulled my third shot. Left to right. Aiming for that line sa left. Mabagal, ano?
Go, akyat. Akyat eh.
Takot akong sobrahan. Okay, this is for par. Giving it left edge. 4 paces. Firm.
Guys! May na!
Ayaw matuto.
Sir! Sayang.
Ay, no, parang one long putt lang yata. Okay, hole number 3. 370 yards, dog leg left. Nako. Ano ba ko doon? Par, bogey. 8 over na. Okay, dog leg left. Come on, Luigi. Ay pa yan. Galing ng putt ni Leo. Leo.
Ay, nag-right. Nice.
Reset, double, some double. One birdie.
Okay. Nice. Safe.
Ay nako, very unfortunate na naman. I have a good line to the flag, to the pin. Aray ko, naganggam na naman. So sasabit naman ako dito. So I'm just punching an 8 iron, 150 yards. Landed left. Ano to ate? Left to right? Right to left. Left to right yan. Left to right 15 yards. Okay.
Pasok. Ay, hindi pa kumanan. Okay lang.
Nice spot. Never doubt. Alright, this spot is for par.
Ay, kumana.
Ay, nako, what a silly bogey, Luigi. Okay. Hole number 4. Currently, I'm 8 over. Ay, nako. Playing 162 yards. Ano ba yun? Ay, bawi. Kaya pa. Kailangan ng fun hole. Golf cart. Playing 168 yards to the flag. With the wind. Behind. Ganda. Go pa. Go. Go. Patong. Baka nearest to the pin pa yan ah.
Nice shot. Go. Go. Ay, kulang lang din.
Okay, 16 paces left to right for birdie.
Mabot ka. Kulang pa rin, sir.
Dapat yata kumain ako. Okay, uphill Luigi. Galing mag-putt. Grabe. Ang lupit. Par pa. Sandy par. Okay, 1 ball left. Uphill. Nice putt, brother.
Ang lakas naman. Ano ba yan, sir? Bogi.
Putt na naman. Hole number 5. 374 yards. Dog leg right. Handicap 1. Come on.
Ay, dumiretso. Par!
It did not fade at all. Pero I'm happy kasi diretso-diretso yung tee shot. But I need to punch out here around 70 yards using an 8 iron.
Go. Sige pa.
Tiny ba yan?
Game.
For my third shot to go up and down for par, I am left with 155 yards to the flag, hitting a 9 iron.
Uy. Go. Nice shot. Patong. Stop na. Tama na, baby. Okay. Grabe yan.
Ayaw talaga. Okay. This is to go up and down for a bogey. So isang club sa kaliwa. Ilalim naman masyado.
Hindi mo ano. Sayang. Kulang lang. Ah! Ito ba yan?
Hole number 6. 260 yards to the flag. Short par 4. Wind is left to right. Kaliwa lang.
Right. Right mo. Nice.
Okay, 40 yards to the flag. Buti nila safe. Okay, left to right ba yan?
Left.
Maliit. Go!
Go! Ay, short din. Ayan.
Ay, naka Luigi. Okay, so 15 yards to the flag. Left to right. Subok ulit. Nip na naman. Bahala na. Nip it.
Daw. Stop na. Kaya na yan. 3 pat lang. Okay na. Nice.
Finally!
Kala ko, di na na.
Okay, playing our last hole. Par 3. 172 yards. Pero barilin natin with a rangefinder to know the distance. Slightly left or right against the wind. You bleed right? Parang hinahangin. Diba? No need. Ay, hindi nag-draw bigla oh. Kumontra. Stop.
Nice. Go. Go. Kulang yan. Kulang. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Okay, 26 yards. Ano to, right to left? Ha? Right to left, 26. Okay, landed right lang.
Go. Nice. Go pa. Sige pa. Nice.
Hindi bumali.
Okay. Okay.
Sa dulo bumali. Break 80.
Boom! So late. Nice putt.
Lahat. First time.
Nice playing with you, Edwin.
Yeah, first time.
Nice playing with you. Yeah, see you. Nice shot.